This video is to write linear inequalities in two variable forms, such as given a table, a graph, or a variable description. So otherwise, basically, we could write an equation, or we can try to find out if it's a solution or not. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to try to see which one of the four is a solution. A solution means that it works, that it makes the statement true. All right, and if you have two of them, like a systems of inequality, like we graphed earlier in the videos, you would have to be true for both. All right, so I'm going to pick one, just to start with this one. And so I'm going to put it in, I'm going to put 4 for x and 3 for y. And I'm actually going to solve this. So according to PEMDAS, you have to multiply first. That's negative 3 times 4, which is negative 12. 3 is greater or equal to, that's negative 10. Is 3 greater than negative 10? And the answer is yes. Yes, it is. All right, let's try another one. Zero is for y, which is greater or equal to 2 and minus 3 times a negative 2. 0 is greater or equal to 2. Negative 3, remember this negative follows the 3, so if we were to cover this up, like make this disappear, you would be asked, what's that right there? And you would have to say, oh, that's plus 6. Alright, and is 0 greater or equal to 8? The answer is no. We're going to do 7 and 5 now. So 5 is y, so 5 is greater or equal to 2 minus 3 times 7. Right, so 5 is greater or equal to 2, and minus 3 times 7. Remember what I said just a few minutes ago. That's like saying a negative 3 times 7, which is a negative 21. Is 5 is greater or equal to negative 19. Is 5 greater than negative 19? Yes, yes it is. Let's do one more. So remember, we're just testing to see if these are solutions. If they're true or not. And so this one's reversed. And so this one we'll say is 7 is greater or equal to 2 minus 3 times 5. Alright, and 7 is greater or equal to 2 minus 15. And so 7 is greater or equal to negative 13. Is 7 greater than 13? Yes, it is. So these are ways you could find the solutions. Another way you could do it is put it in a graphing calculator and then look at the tables and see which ones would work.